Yeah, tell us what you got in here, man. Turn that down.
Making beats for the streets and ladies.
4-star audio DDX-12s on a Taramps Smart 3. Stock electrical with the AGM in the back.
Stock electric.
With the AGM in the back.
So, does that Smart 3 like help with your electrical as far as it being?
No, not really. It's actually really power hungry.
Ah, gotcha.
It basically helps with the impedance rise and stuff, though.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Cool, man.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray.
So you have that on like an LC2i or high level?
Back your radio.
Okay. Well, I mean, like how you powering like high level converter, something like that.
No, it's just hooked up to an AGM that's hooked up to the battery up front.
Gotcha. Okay.
Really
Sounds
basic,
good,
but it works. Works for now.
So what's the box tuned to?
3739.
37. All right. So you like it highs?
Yeah, I was doing lows. I had a box tuned to like 26, but that's just too low.
Yeah, it's power hungry, man. Lowe's love some power.
Yeah,
I found that out the hard way.
Yeah, I did too. I built that box. I was like, man, that's not as low as I thought. But it hit lows. Like it blew your hair. I can do hair tricks and everything. I can't do that now. But.
Yeah, absolutely, man. What's your name?
Michael.
Michael, I'm PoppaT, man. Nice to meet you.
You as well, man. Thanks for checking it out.
Absolutely.
Hear you over there. You blast my eardrums with your mids.
Yeah, they're pretty loud.